Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you why your Marshall Emberton II speaker is not charging. But first, don't forget to tap on the button subscribe to see more useful content. So first you need to make sure that your USB-C cable and charger are alright. You can use another one to check if the problem is in the charger. So then you need to find the charging port. There it is. And check if there is any dust or something like that. If it does have this, then you need to clear it with a soft brush or something like this. So, if these tips didn't help, you need to reset your speaker. To do this, you need to press this Bluetooth button for about 15 seconds till the indicator stops blinking. And then you will wait a little bit and the indicator starts blinking again. I will show you now. We wait till it stops blinking. So now it's on again. That means that our speaker was reset. And now you can try to charge it one more time again. As you can see, in my case, everything is working fine. That's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.